using circumference to find radius and diameter. Welcome back. We're going to continue working with the circumference of a circle, but this time we're going to be given the circumference and then asked to find either the radius or the diameter. We'll still use our formula c equals 2 pi r, but we'll have to use our algebra skills to solve for the circumference. Let's take a look at the first problem. The circumference of a circle is 8 pi feet. Find its radius in feet. Okay. I'm going to take what I know and apply it to my formula. Since I know that the circumference is 8 pi, I can replace the c in the formula with 8 pi. And I know that that will equal 2 times pi times the radius. I don't know the value of the radius right now, but I can figure it out by doing some algebra. This is all being multiplied, 2 times pi times r. So to undo that multiplication, I'll just divide. We're really just canceling a coefficient. So I'm going to divide both sides of this equation by 2 pi. I divide on the right to cancel, and I divide on the left to balance. Let's see what we get. 8 pi divided by 2 pi. Well, pi divided by pi cancels, leaving me with just 8 divided by 2. And 8 divided by 2 is just 4. And that equals, well, the 2 canceled the 2, the pi canceled the pi. All that I'm left with is r. Well, great. That's the answer to my question. What is the radius? The radius is 4 feet. Great. It's good. I'm also noticing that since I'm given this circumference in terms of pi, I don't even need a calculator. I'm canceling the pi when I cancel the 2 pi from the formula. In fact, the number next to the pi in the circumference, all I do is cut it in half to find the radius. Let's take a look at a problem with diameter. Okay. The circumference of a circle is 4 pi feet. Find its diameter in feet. Let's plug what information we have into the formula. We know the circumference is 4 pi feet. So over here, I'm replacing the c with 4 pi. That equals 2 pi r. 4 pi equals 2 pi r. Let's do some canceling. To cancel the 2 pi, I'll divide by 2 pi. And then to balance on the other side, I divide by 2 pi. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Pi divided by pi cancels. 2 divided by 2 cancels. Pi divided by pi cancels. All I'm left with is 2 equals r. Super, I have the radius, but I was looking for the diameter. Simple enough. I know how to find the diameter. I just double the radius. So my radius doubled is 4. Hang on. That's the original number, but without the pi. And that's always going to be true. If you're given the circumference of a circle in terms of pi, and you need its diameter, just take away the pi, and you'll get the diameter. See? Let's take a look at 2 more, but using those shortcuts that we discovered. Okay, this is a radius problem. The circumference of a circle is 12 pi feet. Find its radius. If I remember my shortcut, I know that to find the radius, I take off the pi and then cut the other number in half. Half of 12 is 6. Well, that was quick. Let's see if we can do a diameter one. Okay. The circumference of a circle is 10 pi meters. Find its diameter in meters. Shortcut's even easier here. To find the diameter, I just take off the pi. 10. That was it. So, take your time with these problems and then see if you can use the shortcuts to make your job easier. Let me know what your questions are, and good luck.